What is a learning disability? All children are born natural learners. So how and when and where is it that these natural learners face some difficulty as they are growing up? If we observe a toddler even for a day, we will find a toddler experimenting, exploring and finding out inputs from the environment which will aid his functioning and growth. Our educational system and our schools and colleges claim to replicate this natural learning process, but somewhere along the way, we have also seen a large number of children who drop out or struggle in this learning path and internalize the feeling of failure. When we talk of a learning disorder or a specific learning disability, as the term is now being recognized, it refers to a specific and a significant difficulty in learning in our school environment. We should remember that this learning difficulty is not caused by any kind of motor or sensory loss, any kind of deprived environment, lack of educational or scholastic opportunity, or any other environmental factors which are beyond the child's control. Learning disabilities in children are a small part of a general learning difficulties which are present in any classroom. What we need to do is identify those underachievers and find out what are the causes for underachievement. And the earlier this is done, the better, because early intervention can go a long way in alleviating these symptoms and making school a happier place for our children. If any environmental factors are impacting on the child's learning, these needs to be addressed. Many times children lack proper nutrition, do not sleep properly, come to school without being properly prepared, or teaching methods and teaching aids are not properly implemented. So these can impact on a child's learning. These can be corrected and should be corrected. In spite of all this, a child may still have an inherent difficulty, and this small section of students are termed to have dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, etc., which refers to a neurological condition in which children cannot learn the way it is taught. Now we have different strategies, we have a lot of interventions which aim at teaching a child the way in which he or she can learn. We need to modify our curriculum, we need to give special attention, and very important, we need to tap or understand the psychological factors that impact on learning, such as motivation and encouragement. These will go a long way in making even a slow learner or a poor learner or an underachiever into a person who finds joy in learning and who can improve upon his scholastic ability.